Ang psychology major ba kaya magbasa ng isip?
So lahat ng mga kasagutan sa mga tanong na yan ay malalaman ngayong video. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first episode of Introduction in Psychology. So yun na nga mga Reapers, what's up mga Reapers, and welcome to the very first episode of Introduction in Psychology. So my name is Det Nigel and I am a third year psychology major. Let us start first kung ano nga ba talaga ang psychology. Ano ba ito? Ano ba yung psychology na to?
Gawa-gawa lang ba to? Like, ginawa lang ba to sa kanto?
Well, in definition, psychology is a scientific study of an individual's behavior and mental processes. So as you can see, itong psychology na ito is backed up by research. So yun yung definition niya. So para sa mga gusto dyan mag-psychology, na mag-take ng psychology na course, yan ang definition. You must able to memorize that kasi pinaka-basic actually yan. Sa psychology, meron din tayong goals na tinatawag. So, ano itong mga goals na ito? Kasi syempre, psychology exists for a reason. And psychology has its goal. So, ano mga ito? So, firstly, ang goal ng psychology is to describe. Second is to explain. Third is to control. Fourth is to predict. So, as you can see, yung psychology, nag-exist yan. Ang goal ng psychology is syempre to describe a certain individual's behavior, to able to explain kung ano nangyayari sa kanya, at kung meron mang problema or merong issue, then we must able to control or intervene para to help a certain individual. And then lastly is to predict, para malaman natin yung mga pwedeng mangyari. And hindi ibig sabihin na goal ng psychologist to predict is kaya nang magbasa ng isip yung isang psychology major. No. When we say predict is, ito yung, meron tayong, statistic process dyan eh. So, mga probability, mga signs, yan, inaano yan sa psychology para ma-predict natin yung isang bagay. Sa psychology, marami yung mga branches at sasabihin lang natin ngayon yung pinaka-common. Again pinaka-common na branches in psychology. So, the first branch in psychology ay tinatawag na clinical psychology. So, itong psychology na to focuses on helping people to deal with mental health problems. Like, for example, yung mga tao na may mga mental illness, depression, PTSD, anxiety disorder, yan mga yan. So, clinical psychology, doon siya nakafocus. Next naman na branch in psychology is tinatawag na cognitive psychology. So, when we say cognitive psychology, so, it is the study on how we think, how we remember, and solve problems. So, dyan nakafocus. Ang next naman na branch ng psychology, tinatawag na developmental psychology, which focuses on how a human being develop from birth. Actually, mas accurate dyan from conception. Kumbaga, when the sperm cell and egg cell meet, yun na yun. That's already the start of developmental psychology. Kumbaga, from the birth to the death, on how it develop our personality, how we think, pagka-baby hanggang pagkalaki, yun yung focus ng developmental psychology. Next naman na branch is tinatawag na social psychology. So, ito namang branch na ito focuses on how a certain individual behave in a certain group. Like, for example, yung society natin, yan, yung mga bystander effect, like, so yun. So, next naman na branch ng psychology is industrial or organizational psychology. So, this one focuses on the mga workplace, kumbaga, yung mga HR, yung mga problema sa trabaho, yan, dyan yan pumapasok yung industrial psychology. Actually, marami pang branches yung psychology. Meron pa yung forensic psychology, meron pa yung health psychology, so marami pa yan actually. So, do your readings and please read the books na pinaparead sa inyo ng mga instructors nyo and professors nyo. And do your research. Actually, marami yan guys. So, now, ano nga bang importance ng psychology? Well, ladies and gentlemen, ang importance po ng psychology is it helps us understand ourselves and each other. So without psychology, magkakaroon tayo ng problema on how we understand ourselves and each other. Kasi majority, actually every day, laging merong involved ang psychology. Your interaction with your parents, your interaction with your friends, how your teacher teach you, paano mo magets yung isang bagay, yung mga problema natin, how do we cope it, yan. So as you can see, maraming ganap si psychology sa buhay natin. Kaya napaka-importante po ng psychology. So yun lamang po. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you again on the next video.